Okay, so this question is make h the subject of the formula. 2mh is equal to g bracket 1 minus h. So the key thing is we need to end up with a rearrangement of the formula that h is by itself. So just remember your rules for solving equations or rearranging equations. First thing we need to do is expand this right hand side. So it's 2mh is equal to g minus gh. So the next thing we do is make sure all the h values or the h variables are on the left hand side. So to do that, we can add gh on this side, we can add gh, and that leaves us with 2mh plus gh is equal to g. Now that we've done that, what we can do is factorize the left hand side, so it's by the common factor h, so h 2m plus g is equal to g, and then what we can do is then we'll divide by 2m plus g on the left hand side, so we can do the same on the right hand side. Those two cancel out, so we are left with h by itself. So the answer would be g divided by 2m plus h. Don't forget to put your answer in the line part. Oh, whoops, and that should be g as well. Now, a lot of the times with questions you can simplify them further, but we've ended up with a formula with the rearrangement of h, so even if we can simplify it, we don't have to. And that's it.